Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to be rotating the tires on this 2013 Ford F250. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1AAuto.com. We're going to take this center cap off. I'm just going to use a pry bar. I'm just going to use a rag so I don't scratch the wheel. There's a little slot in where this center cap is. Put it in the slot and then pry it out a little bit. You can grab it with your hands, pull it straight forward. Now we can access the lug nuts. Now I'm going to take a 21mm socket and a breaker bar, and I'm going to crack all these lug nuts free. All right, now I got all those loose. Now before we raise the vehicle, we're going to take the center caps off the other wheels and loosen all those lug nuts. Now we're going to take the lug nuts off. All right, so now we're going to grab the tire, take it off, just going to place it on the ground. We're going to do the same with the other three. Now there's many different ways to rotate the tires. You could rotate them front to back, you can cross them back, go straight forward, or cross. The one thing to keep in mind is if you have directional tires, you can only rotate the tires front to back. So you can only take the rear tire from the right side, put it on the front, take the right front tire and put it on the right rear. So that's something to consider. A good indication of where you should put the tires is checking your owner's manual, and that's what we did. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the two rear tires, we're going to move them straight to the front, and we're going to X the fronts to the back. So we'll take this one, bring it over here. Install that on the vehicle so that I know that I've already rotated this one. I'll put a couple lug nuts on it so that I know. Take this one, and we're going to X this to the rear. So we'll put this one on the left rear, or the driver's side rear. A couple lug nuts so I know that I already rotated it. And this driver's side rear is going to go straight forward. Grab a couple lug nuts. And then this driver's side front is going to go to the passenger side rear. Put a couple lug nuts on. Now we can put the rest of the lug nuts on and tighten them down exactly where they are. Another thing to consider, on certain vehicles you can rotate the spare tire in. This vehicle has aluminum wheels and the spare tire is a steel wheel, so we can't do that on this vehicle, but sometimes you can do that. And if you have a dually, the rotation process will be similar, but there is different places to put the tires for a dually, and you want to check the owner's manual for that. We want to check the tire pressures. You want to make sure that the front tire pressures are the same as the rear. On this vehicle it's 65 in the front, 65 in the rear. You can check with this tag when you open up the door. Now that the tires are all on, I'm going to check the tire pressure and make sure they're all set to 65. So this one's a little bit low. A little more. 65 on the dot. We'll check the other 3. Now that all the tires are pumped up, all the pressures are correct, and all the lug nuts are on, we're going to lower the vehicle. Now we're going to torque the lug nuts. We're going to use a 21mm socket and a torque wrench. We're going to torque these to 160 foot-pounds. We're going to do it in a star pattern, a cross pattern. That way the wheel will get tightened down evenly. We're going to take our center cap. We're going to line these up with the lug nuts. Try to hammer it on. If you need to, you can use a rubber mallet, tap it down. We'll do the same for the other 3 wheels. To do the tire relearn procedure, you're going to take your key, stick it in your ignition, turn the key on, don't start the engine. And then we're going to go over to the hazard switch. We're going to turn it on and off 3 times. And then you're going to hear that beep. Then we're going to go around and we're going to train the left front tire first. It'll say on the dash, train left front tire. Right. Next, I'm going to take the valve stem cover cap off. And I'll just use my tire pressure inflator to relieve some air out of the tire. We're going to do this until we hear the horn beep. Up. So now we can move on to the next tire. I'll put the cap, oh actually I'm going to leave the cap off because I'm going to have to adjust all the tire pressures after we finish this procedure. Now on the dash, it's going to say to do the right front tire. So we're going to do this in the order of left front tire first, right front tire next, right rear tire, and then left rear tire. All right. All right, training's complete, so I'm going to just click OK, and then I can turn the key off. At this point, now I can go back and reinflate all the tires back to 65 psi.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.